What's up guys, Braden here with SuperATV, and today we're going to demonstrate how to use our CV axle puller. So have you ever been in a situation to where you go to remove an axle out of a differential and you pull on it and you can see it pulls apart? Well, we definitely have from time to time. Or maybe you just have a broke axle, maybe a stuck axle. Well, that's where this CV axle puller is going to shine. So today we're going to show you how to use it, the proper ways that you don't want to use it, and we're going to get this axle out of this front differential. This will also work for transmissions as well, so it'll work on the front as well as the rear. So you can do this one of two ways. If you have an axle pull apart, let's say it's a stock axle, you know that you're not going to be rebuilding it, you can take a razor blade, cut the boot, and get this shaft and the outer CV out of the way. But if you plan on rebuilding this axle, you probably don't want to do that. So what you'll do is take your puller, slip it through, and sometimes on some of the machines it can be a little tight fit there. Another thing is you want to make sure all of your screws are completely removed out of the tool. You only have to utilize 4 screws. It doesn't matter the orientation. Obviously, if you have 2 here and 2 on the bottom, that's going to be the best, but you don't absolutely have to do it that way. So now we're going to grab 4 of our provided screws from the kit and just thread them in. So we're just going to get 4 screws started. Again, if you can get them kind of square away from each other, that's going to be ideal. So as you can see there, we've got 4 in. I'm going to go ahead and fully tighten my sides. Again, very important that you get everything as tight as you possibly can. Otherwise, the tool may slip off. You kind of just want to keep going back and forth. You get one really tight, you go to the opposite side, tighten it, and just keep cranking them down until all of them are about as tight as you can get them. All right, we got them all good and tight. So now what we're going to do, slide this all the way forward, make sure that your hands are out of the way, get a firm grip on this, and then just pull straight back. Then you just pull the axle out. So that's all it takes to use SuperATV's CV axle puller. Again, like I said, this is a universal tool. It can work on many years, many makes. Be sure to hop over to SuperATV.com to check out the other tools that we have available. We have a wide variety now. And be sure to drop a like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.